Thank you so much for your presentation.
My pleasure. Thank you.
I'm Fadabram from Kenya.
Very happy to see you.
Yes. My question is on chapter 3, verse 85, which many people who want to block these discussions, particularly our Muslim brothers, they always quote in order to block this discussion.
Yes.
Can you comment about chapter 3, verse 85, and explain to us a little bit what it means?
Chapter 3, which verse?
Verse 85.
85. Uh-huh. Yes, yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Very, very good question. Thank you very much. So, in my in my presentations about religion, I have explained that according to the Quran, God has only sent one religion. It's us that we think there are different religions. Otherwise, God has sent only one religion, which is to submit yourself to the absolute truth, absolute beauty, absolute love, which is God. This is the religion of Abraham, religion of Noah, Moses, Jesus, Jacob, Isaac, Ishmael. So, Prophet Muhammad didn't bring a new religion. Jesus, Moses didn't bring new religion. It's a common mistake that we think we have different religions, and for example, Moses is the founder of Judaism, Jesus is founder of Christianity, Prophet Muhammad is founder of Islam. No. You don't have any reference when a prophet says, I bring you a new religion. Maybe they bring new laws, new code of law, but no new religion, because there's only one religion, religion of God. All the prophets had the same religion. So, Islam means to submit yourself to God. If you submit yourself to God, you follow the same religion of Abraham and Moses and Jesus and Prophet Muhammad. Then, after you submit yourself to God, you have to find out what's the best way to submit. You have to do search. But the main thing is to submit yourself to God. This is why the Quran says, إن الذين آمنوا والذين هادوا والنصارى والصابئين من آمن بالله واليوم الآخر وعمل صالحا فلهم أجرهم عند ربهم. You can call yourself Muslims or Christians or Jews or Sabbaites. The main thing is who has faith, who has righteous deeds, who is seeking face of God and submitting his face to God. If you have this quality of faith, if you are a righteous person who does good work, then you can have your reward from God. So, man yabtaghi ghayra al-Islam dina means whoever is seeking a way other than submission to God. So, we try to submit ourselves to God and never be satisfied with our present understanding. I should keep searching for better understanding of God and what I can do. But never compromise about the main quality of faith, which is submission to God. So there can be a Christian who is submissive to God. There can be a Muslim who is submissive to God. There can be a Jew who is submissive to God. This is the main quality. Then between them and God, they have to show that they have done their best for understanding the best way of showing servitude, showing submission. But that's the second point. The main point is the quality of submission, the quality of dedication to God, the quality of love for God. This is the main thing. So Islam here is used in a broader sense, not in a narrower sense. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. I very much wanted to be with you, and this is one of the programs in the year that I try to be there. But despite my flight was booked, visa, I've got visa, everything ready, but I couldn't make it. But I hope the gathering of your beautiful hearts together has made presence of God stronger among you and would give all of you energy to work for unity. Now we all have greater responsibility because God has gifted us with this experience. So when you go back to your communities, please work more for unity, because this is where we can bring God more to the people's life.
Any other question with that? No? Okay, thank you very much, Doctor.
My
Is
pleasure.
it possible to have some prayers for us? Then we can end the session.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. So we join our hearts and empty our hearts from any thing which is a matter of suspicion, a matter of dislike, a matter of hatred. Anything that can divide us, we leave it aside and just join our hearts and connect our hearts together to God and humbly pray to God. Oh God, God of all people, God of all nations, God of all tribes, all ethnicities, God of Adam and Eve, God of Abraham and Moses and Jesus and Noah and Muhammad, God of all saints, please help us to understand in a clear and unquestionable way what you expect from us. Please enable us to understand your will for each of us and for all of us, individually and collectively today. Please enable us to continue our search for you together. Please unite our communities, our institutions, our hearts with your love and love for humanity. Please use us. We beg you, and we beg you, please use us for your work, for bringing peace to this world, for bringing justice to this world, for bringing fraternity to this world, for stopping suffering of people, for healing the wounds of injustice. Please bless people, especially our leaders who are working day and night so that we can understand better how to move towards you. Please bless any person, any institution, any movement, any university, any community, any monastery, any order, any mosque who is working for unity and for peace. Please enable our brothers and sisters in Africa that we have lots of hope in, to show to all people of the world the beauty of faith, the beauty of love, the beauty of family, the beauty of human dignity. Please help Africa to prosper from every aspect. Amin.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's wonderful. Other innocent also is
Yes.
here. Also invited you again.
Kapanda, thank you. Thank you, my brother, Dr. Shamali.
Thank you.
Good. I've been in and because of the other activities of the university.
Yes.
But I'm really grateful that you made time to address us on the theme which is very dear to you and to me.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Remember that the inaugural conference for IRIS was on the unity of God, unity in God.
Yes.
And that unity has been really cemented over the years.
Yes.
And it's something that we are not turning back.
Yes.
Yeah. And we appreciate the fact that you really found a program, say, this is the program, and we have decided that every year, every intake must come here.
Yes.
Now, on our side, we have also said every intake that comes for 1 year must remain so that we, for this program, so that from the academic, is also a personal experience of relating with each other.
Excellent.
That's the way. That's the way to go.
Excellent.
I've been talking with Sheikh Fodami
Yes.
with a new initiative of having African studies.
Yes.
And we are ready under the memorandum of understanding to journey with you
Thank
to
you.
establish that African and inshallah
Inshallah.
this year or next year I may have the chance to come and maybe and spend a week in Com.
Excellent. Excellent.
And I have not yet forgotten the challenge you gave to me and we say we should witness together.
Yes.
Yeah, in Europe.
Yes.
A continent which is really losing its religious values and so on. Maybe in God's time,
Yes.
maybe that will be realized. How will it be beautiful, Muslim and Christian brothers together,
Yes.
speaking the same message of unity of God and unity in God.
Sure.
So may God bless you.
Thank
and
you.
May God bless our collaboration.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. May God bless you also and Tangaza.
خیلی ممنونم.
خواهش می‌کنم. قربان شما.
التماس
خداحافظ.
خدا نگهدار.
بای.